Good morning, students. Today we will continue worksheet number 1, question number 6. Question number 6 already we have done. Question 7. So worksheet 1, question number 7, you can see here I have drawn figure. So what given? First of all, it is given L, M, N are concurrent. L, M, N are concurrent. So I have drawn what is the concurrent line? Concurrent line means three lines which meet at one point. Then these three all will be concurrent. Three are more than three, but here only three given. So I have drawn one line L, M, and they are concurrent at this point. Now it is given, we have to draw. These are given drawing R, L, M also concurrent. So you think over this, can R, L, M can we draw in any other place except this point? Means L, M, N are already crossing at this point. So this R line we have to draw. So here we can draw this R line. Can I draw here R line? No. This will not cut. This L, M, N are not concurrent. Otherwise this 3 will be not concurrent. It will cross. So where it is possible to draw this line R? Not other than place. It is possible only at this point only. So we will draw this line by this way. Means this line R we can draw passing through this point A only. Suppose this name is A. So L, M, N are passing through A. So this R, L, M, N, this will also pass through A because L and M are already passing at this point. So new line, and if all three we want to make concurrent, so this new line will also pass through A only. Now question is, R, L, N are concurrent, R, L, N. So you can see all the 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number of lines, all lines are concurrent. So it is yes, R, L, N are concurrent, and this is the proof for our this solution. Now question number 8. This is figure. I am reading question. The lines concurrent at point A. A पे कौन सा line concurrent है? तो A पे concurrent line you see कौन सा line मिल रहा है A पे? N, R, M. So A, R and M. Only you write this much. This is sufficient to write answer. All the set of collinear points. Collinear point का पूरा set लिखना है. So you can see this name is given F and this is given C. So we can see here so many sets are there. First you see in this line 3 points are in one line. You see here this. What is the name of this? A, F, B. A, comma, F, comma, B. First set. Second set B, G, E. B, comma, G, comma, E. Third set B, G over this line में A, G, D. A, G, D. A, G, D over F, G, E. F, G, E और A, E, C. A, E or C. So how many possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BDC I think we have not written. BDC also possible. B, comma, D, comma, C. So this many pairs, 6 pairs possible BDC. So 6 pair possible are, these are the collinear points. Now answer number C. What is asked? The lines concurrent at point G. G पे कौन सा line concurrent है? So what is the name of this line? Q. And G पे वो name of this R और G पे name of this P. So this is the answer of this question. Now D. The point of intersection of three lines L, P, M. L, P, M we have to tell L, P, M. L, P, M का concurrent point बताना है. L, where is L? L this. L, P और M. where all three are meeting. You see where all are meeting at point C. So this we will write point C. Now answer number E. All the points that lie in this plane, whatever points are lying on this plane, so what points are lying? Name of the points: A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up till G only. So this many points lying on this point. Two pairs of intersecting lines. F answer. We have to write two pairs of intersecting lines. So intersecting means we can write so many intersecting. For example, F पे only 2 points. Remember here we cannot write intersecting because here three lines are meeting. So this is concurrent place. This is the concurrent place. Here it is an intersecting point. So what is the at F? At F पे कौन कौन सा लाइन है? नेम ऑफ P, P and N. At F which points are meeting? P and N. Or one more. At D you can take. At point D कौन कौन सा लाइन है at point D पे? You can see name of this R and D पे R and name of this line L, R and L. So by this way you can write. Now question number 9. So this is over question 8. By you will draw this in your notebook and you can write answer in this way. Question number 9. In the given figure below, name the lines concurrent at D and B. We have to write concurrent lines at D. So solution number 9A. First of all at D. At D point पे कौन कौन सा line concurrent है? We have to write their name. So name will be at D. L, M, N are meeting. At D, which lines are meeting? You see in book line L, M and N. B answer. B, no, it's the second part. At D over. Now at B. B पे which lines are meeting? Line B पे है name of the line Q, L, R. Q, L and R. These lines are meeting. Now question number B. Question number B. Point of concurrence of line AD, AB, AC. So you see book AB, AD and AC. So these all lines are meeting at which point? This asking at which point these lines are meeting. So these all are meeting at point A. So we will write here answer will be point A. So this is the answer of this question. So you note down this and complete worksheet number 1.